Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use school management software. First, navigate to the login page and enter your credentials. Once inside, familiarize yourself with the dashboard, which typically displays key metrics like active students and upcoming events. Begin by setting up your school's basic profile, including contact information and academic terms. This initial configuration is crucial for smooth operation and ensures all subsequent data is accurately categorized. Managing student data is a core function. To enroll a new student, locate the Student Management module and input their personal details, academic history, and guardian information. You can then assign them to specific classes and track their daily attendance with just a few clicks. The system also allows for easy grade entry and report card generation, providing a comprehensive overview of each student's academic progress throughout the year. Effective communication is vital. Utilize the staff management section to add new teachers and administrators, defining their roles and access permissions. For parent-teacher interactions, leverage the built-in messaging system or announcement board to share important updates, such as school closures or event reminders. This centralized communication hub ensures everyone stays informed, fostering a collaborative educational environment for hundreds of families. Beyond daily tasks, explore advanced features. Generate detailed reports on student performance, attendance trends, or financial summaries to gain valuable insights. Consider integrating with other educational tools, like learning management systems, for a seamless experience. Always prioritize data security by regularly backing up information and managing user permissions carefully. Consistent maintenance ensures your software remains efficient and supports your school's operations for years to come.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.